Welcome to Career Guidance for You. Let's take a peek into the fast-growing, challenging career opportunity aviation industry. Laying some factual summary of the career opportunities available. Pilot, air traffic controllers, cabin crew, aircraft engineers, technicians, aircraft maintenance engineers, cargo handlers, flight dispatchers, security officers, customer service agents, ramp agents, marshalling agents, airport managers in various verticals, and baggage handlers. Each job has its own defined strengths and advantages. This video demonstrates how to become a commercial pilot. The eligibility criteria are HSC or above with physics, maths and English having minimum 55 to 60%. Height requirement equal to or above 158 cm and eligibility test including entrance test, pilot aptitude test, personal interview and medical test. The top 5 accredited institutions in India are Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Udan Academy, Government Aviation Training Institute, Bombay Flying Club, Ahmedabad Aviation and Aeronautics Limited, and Haryana Institute of Civil Aviation. For any additional queries, please inbox at careerg4u@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.